the phenomenon of channeling seems to be on the rise. I mean, there's a monthly magazine you can pick up that's full of them.
It's like the 5-minute mile or the 1-minute mile. In other words, until someone does it, others don't know they can do it. And then when they see someone doing it, if it is appealing to them, then they set forth a desire to do it also. Another thing that, and you've touched on this already, but this is really the answer to what you are just asking. The greater the contrast, the more ask. And the more who ask, the more the answers come. And then occasionally, someone like Esther listens.
I see what you mean.
Sometimes people will say, well, isn't it lovely that Esther puts herself in a position where she can receive all of these answers? And we say it's even lovelier that so many people have put themselves in the contrasting experience where they are asking the question. Because without the asking, there is no summoning of Source. And without the summoning of Source, there is not the continuation of life. So it is this perpetual unfolding where contrast makes you ask. You're asking someone's Source. And now, as you practice allowing, you get in on it. Now, you see. Your world continues to thrive. It continues to be because billions of people have experiences which cause them to ask, and Source energy comes forth. But if those billion people that are asking are vibrationally out of alignment with what they're asking for, then very few are reaping the benefits of what they're asking for. And when we say the time of awakening, what we really mean is more and more are putting themselves in the place where they're vibrationally in the place of allowing what they're asking for. And that's the creative wave that you're all wanting to ride. Imagine something happening in your experience which stimulates desire within you, and you knowing that all you have to do is focus and find a way of bringing yourself into vibrational alignment with the essence of what you're asking for. And then you get to witness the universe yielding to you the circumstances and events that help these things unfold. And you know that it is through your creative endeavor and alignment of energy that you are making this happen, you see. And then, as you receive the manifestation of that, guess what happens? You stand in a new vantage point with a new set of contrasting experiences which give birth to new desires, and then you start all over again. And people say, well, will I ever get it done? And we say joyously, no, never. You are an eternal being. You never get it done. And you cannot get it wrong. And the reason you can't get it wrong is because you never get it done. No matter where you're standing, you always have the opportunity to give birth to another desire. And Source is always going to answer that other desire, you see. So our work and your work, what we are all about, is helping people come more and more into vibrational alignment with what they're asking for. So that you, in your life right now, get to receive the benefit of what you've been asking for, rather than the generation that follows you receiving the benefit of what you're asking for.